Take off. To remove something. Please take off your shoes. I take off my coat when I come inside. Dress up. To put on special clothes. I like to dress up when I go out for events. You don't need to dress up for dinner. Kick off. To remove something by kicking. She kicked off her shoes as soon as she entered the house. Button up. To close tightly and securely. Button up your shirt before you go out. Button up your shirt. Wrap up. Put on warm clothes. Wrap up well, it's cold outside. Okay, let's wrap up the class today. Try on. To put on a garment. In order to test the fit. I will try on the dress before I buy it. Try on the shoes to see if they fit. Zip up. Can you please help zip up my jacket me? Zip up your jacket, it's cold outside. Roll up. To fold clothes around itself to make a piece of clothing shorter. I rolled up my sleeves before wash the dishes. Please roll up your sleeves. Tuck in. Place the bottom part of it inside your trousers or skirt and jeans. Please keep tuck in your shirt in office. She told the boy to tuck in his shirt. Get on. Enter a bus, train, plane. I got on the bus at Alpha Street. Get off. Leave a bus, train, plane. I got off the bus at Beta Street. Get in. Enter a car, a taxi. I got in the taxi at the airport. Get out. Leave a car, a taxi. I got out of the taxi at the hotel. Get over. Recover from an illness or a shock. He got over his cold and returned to work. Get together. To join, or a meeting. Let's get together after work today.